Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Trekkie Projects. So in this video I will show you the smart mirror simulation project using Python and AI. So it will open the laptop front camera. It will show the weather conditions like in the city Delhi, temperature 24.05 degrees Celsius, and the weather, haze, humidity 33% and wind speed. And it will also show the to-do list like buy groceries, watch movies and make project. Okay, you can also add and remove the to-do list. Okay, and check it out. And these are the news headlines where it will show the updated news.
Smart Mirror AI is ready.
Mirror, tell me some news headlines.
Chinese Navy helicopter flies within 10 feet of Philippine patrol plane over disputed shoal, the Associated Press. U.S. facing worst flu season since 2009, experts say, Axios. Thames Water secures £3 billion lifeline after court ruling, BBC.com. The next big immigration test for House Democrats, Politico. Top Russian and U.S. officials are discussing improving ties and ending the Ukraine war without Kiev, the Associated Press.
So as you can see, this is the to-do list. You can add, remove or check item here as well. So let's add any item. Let's say Python. Mirror, tell me about Python. Mirror, tell me about Python.
Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with the use of significant indentation.
Mirror, what is the weather today? Mirror, what is the weather today?
City, Delhi. Temperature, 24.05 degrees Celsius. Weather, haze. Humidity, 33%. Wind speed, 1.54 m/s.
Mirror, what outfits shall I wear today?
Top. Loose linen or cotton t-shirt in a light color, white, beige, light green, to reflect the haze and keep you cool. Bottom. Lightweight linen or cotton shorts or pants in a neutral color like khaki or gray. Outerwear. If the haze is particularly thick, a light scarf or mask to protect your face and lungs. Shoes. Comfortable sneakers or sandals that allow your feet to breathe. Accessories. Sunglasses to shield your eyes from the hazy sun. Hat with a wide brim to provide shade and protect your head from the sun. Water bottle to stay hydrated in the dry conditions.
Mirror, pull up my to-do list. Mirror, pull up my to-do list.
Here is your to-do list. Heavy checkmark buy groceries. Heavy checkmark watch movie. Make project. Python.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.